And then when we continue this our project, our next project task is to take away these cars, these front wheels. And let's go to do the job next. There are those our front wheels, and next we have to take those wheels away because we have to lift this engine up and down. And I take next these wheels away. Okay, and this bolts opening happens so that we need this 17mm socket what fits in here, and then we need spanner, or if you can purchase also this nice new Makitas 18-volt systems that are really fantastic. I can recommend this brand, and using this device these bolts opens easily. Okay, and next I take these bolts away and I remove that wheel away. Both sides, both front wheels away.